Militant killed in encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian. And Yaosheng festival begins with gaiety in Manipur. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. One militant was killed in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district, police said today. According to media reports, Kashmir Zone Police said the encounter was underway and security forces were on the job as security forces launched a cordon and search operation in Reban in South Kashmir on receiving information about the presence of militants. The operation turned into an encounter after the militants fired the third party and gunfight is going on, reports added. The Festival of Colors, Holi or Yaosheng Festival, begins today in Manipur with great enthusiasm and fervor. Apart from celebration, the 5-day-long festival in Manipur will witness games and sports, cultural programs and Thabal Chongba across the state. On the joyous occasion of Yaosheng, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah extended her warm greetings to the people of Manipur. State Chief Minister N. Biren also extended warm greetings to the people of the state. In his message, Biren said Yaosheng is one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community. Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Sham in his greetings to the people said that the festival is a true indicator of the revival of the rich culture and tradition of Manipur. Yaosheng is the biggest festival of the Meitei community. The number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 40 as a 3-year-old from Kerala tested positive today. The child has a travel history from Italy and was screened and isolated at the Kochi airport. The child and their parents, who have now been quarantined, landed in Kochi on a flight from Dubai on March 7 last. According to media reports, schools were shut in several states across the country, including primary schools in the capital, as the number of cases due to novel coronavirus rose to 39 in India. As part of efforts to contain the spread of the infection, 3 people who returned from coronavirus affected regions in the past 9 days were yesterday quarantined for suspected exposure in Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Assam too quarantined at least 400 people after they came in contact with an American tourist who tested positive for the virus in Bhutan after traveling through the state recently. Manipuri Students Association Delhi held an interactive session on different issues of Manipuri women at Arts Faculty, Delhi University in commemoration of International Women's Day yesterday. The gathering discussed different problems of social setup where women participation is low in social and political activities. Meanwhile, Masad cancelled a Thabal Chongba program which was supposed to be held last evening due to the outbreak of coronavirus in Delhi. Our correspondent informed. Dr. Khundrakpam Akoisana has been projected as the candidate from 35 Khangabo constituency in the upcoming 2022 Manipur Assembly election. Dr. Akoisana of Khangabo Thangkha Alaikai is a retired senior technical officer of Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Akoisana assured that he will work his best for the success of BJP in Khangabok and work for the welfare of people. In the wake of coronavirus threat, Akoijami Bomcha, a social worker, distributed mask, paracetamol tablets, hand sanitizers and immune buster tablets to the locals of Mongshangai, Mayaleka yesterday. He appealed to the people to take up precautionary measures against coronavirus. The program was held at Pilo Library, Mongshangai, Mayaleka. Now we have the sports news. Laurembam Ashapriya of TOMTV bagged the first position in the women's 100-meter race at the 10th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2020 of All Manipur Working Journalist Union today at Kumal Lampak, Imphal. Roshimala of ISTV secured the second position, while Victoria RK of Impact TV bagged the third position. Besides race, on the first day of the sports meet, events like discus throw and shot put were held. In 400-meter race in women's category, Victoria RK of Impact TV bagged the first position. H. Ronibala Chanu of Media Unified bagged the second position, while Roshimala KH of ISTV bagged the third position. And in men's category, T.H. Kishan of the Sangai Express bagged the first position, M. Kennedy of Media Unified secured the second position, and M. Ojit of TOMTV bagged the third position. Defending champion Australia claimed its fifth Women's 2020 Cricket World Cup title after thrashing India by 85 runs in yesterday's final at the Melbourne Cricket Ground with more than 86,000 spectators. Elisa Healy and Beth Mooney stayed in the summit clash, completing their respective half-centuries as the hosts overpowered the Manipuri core-led India. The Australian women's team showed that it has some of the characteristics historically displayed by their male counterparts, especially in rising to the big occasion. The 21st Yaosheng Sports Meet 2020 of Santhong Youth Welfare Association, Santhong Sabal Lekai in Under Morang constituency kick-started today at SYWA ground. Kwakta Gram Panchayat Upar Pradhan Maibam Purnima Devi attended the opening ceremony.
Sports injury bagi maramdi, sports injury bagi maramdi, Yaoshengda abir taiba sian khai bada thoning da bakhana chaina ba kaya ama tholo padu thoktana ba boarding da lei wangang mayam si paisa khai ba lambi thatna thoktana ba adugumba wakhalonda sahi chupna pangthok jage haina mathang sahi jingda lakadori bisu pangthok pangambu ijage haibo wafam asi secretary ama oina ningsingjari.
Now the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Health Minister opens 2 isolation wards at Moreh. Total 40 infected in India. Tamil Nadu reports second case of COVID-19. Maximum from Delhi NCR with 19. Wildcat blockade imposed on National Highway No. 2. Seal Indo-Myanmar border, says Mizoram Congress. Imphal Free Press. International Women's Day observed across the state. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Institute allegedly running without valid affiliation. The People's Chronicle. COVID-19. 5 new cases in Kerala. India tally 39. After Sikkim, the Arunachal Pradesh government has also decided to temporarily suspend issuing protected area permits to foreigners to check the spread of coronavirus. Gautam Sarma improving, discharge likely, says RIMS MS. Onus on health staff to prevent COVID-19, says Health Minister. Manipur Mail. Yaosheng celebrations to begin from today. Health Minister reviews corona issue at Moreh. Father, son, saved over 60 people. Women's Day observed.
Now the top news headlines once again. Militant killed in encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian. And Yaosheng Festival begins with gaiety in Manipur. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.